What's up, everybody? This is Nick with Blogging with Funnels, and in today's video I am going to show you exactly what I do to make $300 and more using ClickFunnels on my blog. I'm going to move this out of the way so I can show you a screenshot. This blog that I'm going to be talking about today is in the health and weight loss fitness niche. I started this blog about 6 years ago when I owned my own gym. But I always wanted to just move my entire business online, have more freedom, spend more time with my family, essentially work from anywhere. You know how it goes with the whole freedom lifestyle. And 3 years ago, I shut down my gym, committed to full-time online, joined ClickFunnels. It was a struggle at first, but as soon as I figured out the formula for had a blog essentially to make money, on my second year using ClickFunnels, I made just about $100,000. And this last year, in 2018, I almost got to $200,000 for the entire year. Now, this was across two of my blogs. With the blog that I'm going to talk about today, it was about over 150 with just selling digital programs. So that's what I'm going to talk about today. I'm going to show you just some tactics and things that I use. I'll also below this video, because this will be on YouTube, I'll share a link for the share funnels that I use. So ClickFunnels has this cool thing where you create a funnel, landing page, sales page, whatever, and you can share it with somebody who's either already using ClickFunnels or has not started their trial, has not joined ClickFunnels. The cool thing is, if you already have ClickFunnels, you can use this funnel and do whatever you want with it. If you don't, then you can still use this funnel. You just have to join ClickFunnels and do a 14-day trial. And if you do, then you will be under my affiliate umbrella, and I will help you figure out how to navigate ClickFunnels. Just send me an email at nick@bloggingwithfunnels.com. I have some cool bonuses, as well as one-on-one help if you need it. All right, so first, let's see some proof, right? So this is a screenshot from last year, January 1st to December 31st, 143,390. So I said 150 earlier because I also have products on ClickBank, and I made about 7,000 just with ClickBank selling my own products, as well as some affiliate. This is all through digital products. All right. So there we go. This is actually Samcart. You can do everything that Samcart has inside of ClickFunnels that I'll show you in a little bit. I pretty much just have been lazy because I have so many digital products using Samcart. I haven't switched them all over. I have started, but it's not fully done yet. All right, so I'm going to open up this right here. All right, so this is my blog. If you want to still see, you don't really need to see my face, but this is a blog that I make most of my income from. Now, a couple things you'll notice. Sidebar, this is desktop, of course. And so on mobile, people will scroll and they'll see the sidebar after the post or the page. These little things are called click pops, and I use these all the time in ClickFunnels. Why? Because they usually their opt-in rates are over 70%. So I'm going to click this, and you have a little click pop here. Now, they don't work just because they work. They work because this is something that some people, it's very attractive offer. So make sure you have a good offer. This is a lead magnet that I created. Here's another one. All these convert over 60%. This one's closer to 80. This one's 75 or so, and this one's lower at 60. But they all generate leads, close to 50 leads a day, over 100 last year during busy months. It was nuts. And then some Facebook proof there. And so basically what you want to do when you start blogging is come up with an idea for a digital program. I go to ClickBank and I look at what's popular. You can look at websites like BuzzFeed and see what's trending. The ketogenic diet was really trending 2 years ago, and it's still going hot right now. So this product is still selling pretty well. I have another product launch that I'm about to do with another keto product, and then I'll kind of move on to look at other trends and see what next product I'm going to create in this space. So let's look at a blog here. And I just published this blog yesterday, actually. And you'll notice that I have an image here. I have my images created by somebody on Upwork. And this is really important because Pinterest is my main traffic source. And actually, I'm creating a Pinterest product on my other blog that I use to promote ClickFunnels and other online marketing stuff. And so you want to create really eye-popping, engaging Pinterest photos, whether you do them yourself or you outsource it. I hate doing graphic design, so I found this guy from India on Upwork, and he creates images for me. Just kind of, I find an image on Shutterstock or whatever, send him this. I send him some sample images that I see on Pinterest that are doing really well. And then I just write awesome content. So one way that I am able to write awesome content is I already look at what's popular out there. So I go to Pinterest, I go to Facebook, I go to Google, and I start typing in, let's just do an example here. I'm going to stick with the keto diet, lose weight with keto. All right, so I see the top articles here, 8 reasons you're not losing weight on keto. So I would go to my Google Drive and write 10 reasons you're not losing fat on the ketogenic diet. And then I would go to this article. I would see this obviously really popular. Google loves it. So I am going to create an article just like that one, but I'm going to make it better, and I'm going to pitch my product with that. And I'll do it with all these other articles that I like and that are trending. And obviously Google likes them, so Pinterest is going to like them, Facebook is going to like them. When you're first starting out, you might not have a list, so you need to rely on free sources. That means all social media as well as Google. Now these, I don't even honestly worry about SEO and Google right now, because depending on what the niche is, because the ketogenic diet is so competitive that I am going to rely on free sources of traffic, and I'm going to create an article a day and to provide value. I mean, I don't just talk about the ketogenic diet. I tell people exactly kind of what to do, and then I give them the here, let me help you do it with my digital program. And so let's find an article that is really popular for me right now. This one. Just launched this a month ago, 6,000 shares on Pinterest. Boom. I noticed that people were wondering why they were getting out of ketosis, so I wrote an article on this Pinterest image. And now, every now and then, throughout the article, I will pitch my program. And here is a sales page that I created in a few hours using ClickFunnels. This is so time saving. It's unreal. Created a little video. Here is the link to get to the SamCart. I'll just click that real quick so you can see. So right now I'm still using SamCart, but I can create the exact same thing inside of ClickFunnels very easily. There's the checkout page. And then the other cool thing, after somebody checks out on the thank you page, is where you provide them with their digital program, all the downloads, etc. And I start putting bonuses on there. So for example, this bonus, this is what I'm talking about. There's a couple of supplements from a partner that I'm just doing business with, and so I send them they send them free supplements, and they give me a CPA of $10 to $15 for every purchase. And so every day I if I sell 10 of these programs and make $300, usually almost half of them will sign up for the free supplement. So that's an extra $30 or $40 just that day of it without me doing anything. And if you go ahead and get this share funnel, this is the one I'm going to share with you. You'll see exactly what I do in the thank you page. And just once you create your digital program, whether you're into fitness or weight loss or it doesn't matter, whatever niche, there are affiliate programs for everything. And you can even pitch your own products in there. After you, of course, you can do that after somebody gets in your list. But the thank you page is another great place, because people have already bought and they already have their credit card out, and they're going to buy from you again. And so this is just a simple sales page. I mean, there's no copywriting involved. Copywriting is tough, and sure, I could hire somebody to write a better one for tens of thousands of dollars, but right now I'm happy with how this is going. I'm sure I would love to do that, and at some point I have the income that I can do that now. But when I launched this product, I was not able to hire a copywriter, so I did it myself, and it's working. And that's the cool thing. Once you do it yourself, then you can decide, okay, these images I don't create, I outsource these for a few bucks. All this took combined maybe $20, which is nothing. One sale covers that. Created my own sales page. Obviously, you need the ClickFunnels account, so that's only $100 a month. But I run my business on less than $500 a month. The biggest expense is my email list, which is almost $30,000 now. So my email list on GetResponse costs me $250 a month. So $500, $600 a month to run my business that generates 5 figures a month and more. And I'm learning ways to scale through ads and things like that, and which you can do too. But the free ways is where it's at, especially for if you're just starting out. So click the link below this video to get the share funnel. So the big takeaways is write awesome content, pitch your product, sporadically throughout your article. It's not hard sells at all. Have click pops. They convert really high to build your list. I have 30,000 in 6 years of having this, and really most of those leads have come from the past couple years. This is another really high converting click pop. At the end of every article, I have this. What I want to do is have a specific offer for every type of post, because I write about other things other than keto diet, and you probably will too. But this is another click pop here, converts it over 70%. Have some other ones, a quiz that people can go to. And so just have ways, just make it easy for people to sign up for your list inside your blog. A lot of people might say it's not good to send people straight to a sales page, but it works for me right now, and maybe I can do higher converting, and that's something I'll test in the future. But just always be building your list whenever you're blogging. I send about 2 to 3 emails every single week. My email marketing game is pretty weak right now, but my blogging game is where I focus on because I'm good at it, and it's obviously generating results. So keep blogging, and I'm looking at the mic as I'm talking to you. It's crazy. So if you need help with ClickFunnels, if you're not a member yet, just hit me up at nick@bloggingwithfunnels.com, or just comment on this YouTube video and we can chat from here. This is, if you don't have a ClickFunnels account, I'll show you real quick what it looks like. And so here are all my funnels. I am at 97 of 100 pages and 19 of 20 funnels. So I might have to go to the $297 a month ClickFunnels account, which is not a problem because it makes me so much money and saves me so much time that I've just haven't pulled the trigger on it, but I will soon. And look, I also, as an affiliate, have made almost $100, so that pays for a third of my ClickFunnels if I upgrade to the $297. And I've gotten 23 more. I've gotten more than this because my products are on Samcart. So I've probably gotten close to 30. So I'll hit probably 50 or 60 opt-ins by the end of the day. It's awesome. And this all while, some of it's while you sleep. I've been writing already this morning, this afternoon, and I'll just continue to do that throughout the rest of the day. If you have any questions, just leave a comment. Hope this video was helpful, and if you don't have a ClickFunnels account, start with the share funnel because it's an easy way to get started. Get that 14-day trial and then hit me up for any help that you need. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to start shooting a lot more videos to helping you figure out ClickFunnels, figure out online marketing, digital marketing, and I'm going to be doing a lot of stuff on Pinterest because that's where my first product. So if you can, hop on my list. Talk to you soon. Thanks.